felt some kind of discomfort in your eyes or an itchy sensation, and when you look in the mirror you see boils sprouting out of your eyelid, that is not just an ordinary boil, it is called styes. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Cheshi, like you already know. To all my old viewers, I just want to say a very big thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for being a support system in this community. And to my new viewers, I just want to say a very big thank you for stopping by. Your presence here means a lot to me. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button to be a part of this community, and don't forget to share this video to your family, your friends, those that will need this video, and don't forget to like, comment. It means a lot to me, guys. I want to hear your opinion on what you think about this video. Thank you, and let's get on. A style is a pus-filled boil that develops at the base of the eyelid. It could be up here, it could be down here, it could be here or here. That's actually a style. It doesn't usually start being pus-filled, but as it ripens, it becomes pus-filled. I'm here to bring you this good news that there is a natural remedy for these styles, even before it gets to that very bad stage. The moment you see this thing, please apply this procedure I'm telling you right now and say goodbye to that styles forever. Say goodbye to that every single time you see a sign. Please do not wait for it to get worse. I know that styles can actually go on its own, but that is after it has stayed for 1 week to 2 weeks. But you don't have to wait for that long. Just do this simple remedy, simple home remedy, and say goodbye to styles. What can actually cause these styles, so that you will know how to prevent it? But if it happens, sometimes you don't even really know what you did that make this thing to happen, but you can prevent this. So let me just dive into what can actually cause the styles. So number one, we are going to be talking about bacterial infection. We all know what bacterial infection is. Sometimes you don't even really know what you did for you to have that bacterial infection. Sometimes you see like your hair, like your eyelashes starts growing like 2 eyelashes into 1 pore. That is the reason why some people, when they just see that sign of styles, they just pull their eyelashes. If that is actually the reason for you to have that styles, definitely it will go away after that. So clogged follicles is actually another reason. Thirdly, another reason for this is poor hygiene. If you're dirty or you're always taking like your dirty fingers into your eyes, you could attract styles. So poor hygiene is also another reason. As a child growing up, we are told that another reason for this, the fourth reason, is stinginess. Stinginess, guys, is another reason. But I believe this is just mine, because we are just told all of that so that we will learn how to be generous with what we have. Guys, I want to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think? Do you think this stinginess is also another reason for having styles? Put it in the comment section. Now that we know the cause of styles, let's dive into the natural remedy for styles. Now, I don't want to beat around the bush. It is just garlic. We all know what garlic is. Garlic is very, very powerful. It cures a lot of things, like very, very fast. Nobody taught me this thing. I just decided to try it out when I had that incident. I saw that it was kind of like recurring. I don't know if I'm actually one of the stingy people, but growing up as a child, I always used to have that styles once in a while. And one day I just felt like, okay, let me just try this garlic. And since then, honestly, this has always been working for me, like immediately. It doesn't even take up to 24 hours. It works like that same day. The reason I remember this is last week I had that styles also. I had an incident of it. That was over the weekend on Friday. Yeah, that was on Friday. And the night I just noticed some kind of discomfort in my eyes, and when I checked in the mirror, I saw that styles was sprouting out. So I just had to rush to the kitchen, get my garlic, and the moment I just applied it on it, that was it. So guys, like, I will teach you how to go about this. So I have my garlic here. You don't really need so much. So this is garlic, and yeah, we all know what garlic is. So but let me still show you in case some people don't really know the garlic. It's just normal garlic you can get from your local stores or anywhere. So once you get the garlic and peeling it out, you don't even need so much. So this is the smallest quantity of the garlic I am getting. As you can see, this is very, very small. Very, very small. So all you have to do is just to peel it. Remove this back or this shell. I don't know what to call it. Just remove this shell, because we just need the main garlic to be exposed. So this is all you have to do. So once it's exposed, either you use your finger. For me, but my finger has to be washed. Please, if you're doing this, wash your finger, because you don't need to get another bacterial infection to take into your eyes. So just get this garlic, wash your fingers, wash your hands, just pinch it. Like, you can use your finger to just open it a little bit like this. Okay, now I'm using my finger, and you can see I've exposed it, like I've pinched it. So this is it. Either you use knife to cut it, or you just use your finger to pinch it. All you have to do, please, I didn't ask you to put this thing in your eyes, no, just at the affected area. Like if the style is down here, just place this for a few seconds, not even up to a minute, just a few seconds. Let it just touch the affected area, and that's it. You don't have to repeat this. Once you just do this just once, you're okay, you're done for the day, you're done with that style. So just place it for a few seconds, get it out, and that's it. So for me, when I did this on Friday night, I slept afterwards. After I slept, when I woke up in the morning, I noticed like my eye had produced some kind of you know, this kind of pores that comes out from the eyes, like when you sleep so much or so. So I just have to just wash my eyes, and that was it. I looked in the mirror and that style was gone. Guys, try this out and you'll be so thankful. So what do you think about it? Have you ever used this before? I want to hear your say in the comment section. Did it work for you? Do you know about this remedy? And if you're going to be trying it, if you're going to be trying this out, please put it in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts, and please just tell me my thank you in the comment section. This means a lot to me. And guys, if you found this useful, please like, share to your family and friends, because other people also need to know about this. Then click on that subscribe button. That subscribe button, it means a lot to me. Subscribe and be a part of this community, because definitely I'll be sharing more useful tips on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.